So if you want to add music in the background of your Snapchat stories, this is what you need to do. When you first open up the Snapchat app, you're going to want to be on the, taking photos, recording little tab. And then on the right, on the top right, you'll see a whole bunch of random stuff. You'll want to click the music icon. Click it. You can see I'm sure there's thousands of different songs. You can go ahead and search whatever you want. Let's just search bank account, that song. There you go. We got that bank account song right there. And then once you found it, go ahead and click on whatever song you want. And with this, you can select which part of the song you actually want to start on. And once you found it, you can either press the circle once to take a photo with the music in the background, or you can go ahead and hold it down, make a video. You'll make the video and then you'll stop it and you'll see the preview. I'm not going to actually play the music because I don't want this video to get copyright striked. But your music will be there in the background as you'll hear it, and you'll be all good to go.